Hello, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed that introduction from Dora the Explorer. And that's going to take us right into our first math lesson, Module 1, Lesson 1, where we're going to learn a little bit about parts and totals. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's read this evening's application problem together and see if we can solve it together using numbers and pictures. Here we go. Dora found 5 leaves that blew in through the window. Then she found 2 more leaves that blew in. Draw a picture and use numbers to show how many leaves Dora found in all. Boys and girls, I always think it's easiest to draw a picture first. So let's go ahead and reread this one sentence at a time, and we can draw the parts that we know. The first sentence says, Dora found 5 leaves that blew in through the window. I went ahead and circled the number 5 in that sentence and the word leaves, since I know that that's what I'm going to be looking for first. I always want to make sure that I'm looking in my word problem for the numbers that I should use in a math problem. It's sort of like looking at the menu when you go to a restaurant. So since it first says that Dora found 5 leaves that blew in through the window, let's go ahead and draw 5 leaves. Okay, boys and girls, there are those 5 green leaves. Now let's read the next sentence. It says, then she found 2 more leaves that blew in. I went ahead and circled 2 and underlined more leaves. Boys and girls, since I see that number 2 in my word problem, that's a good clue that that's something that's going to have to show up in my picture and in my addition statement. Now, since it says more leaves, that word more clues me in that we're going to be doing addition. So I need to add 2 more leaves to my picture. Okay, you can see that I added 2 more leaves. Now I chose to make my 5 leaves green and my 2 leaves red, just so I can see what 2 numbers I was adding together. Let's go ahead and write an addition statement to go with this, and then we can solve it. Since I have 5 green leaves that I started with, I'm going to start with the number 5, and then I'm going to go ahead and add my plus sign since I'm doing addition. Next, I see my 2 red leaves that blew in later. Now I want to put my equal sign, and let's go ahead and count up the total number of leaves. Boys and girls, a faster way to count is to touch the greatest number, say its name, and continue counting on the other number. So I'm going to go ahead and circle these leaves and say 5 and count on 6, 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Great work solving that problem, boys and girls. Let's go ahead and move on and do some concept development. Okay, boys and girls, what I have here is called a tens frame. Now, you might be able to guess this answer, but I want you to count to be safe. I want you to count and see how many spots or squares are available in my tens frame. If you said 10, you got it perfect. All right, we're going to go ahead and fill our tens frame with some counting chips. I kind of like these counting chips since they're smiling at us. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. When I have the top frame of my tens frame filled, I have 5 total. Now, we're going to need to be some number detectives. So I want you to get out your magnifying glasses and help me search for hidden numbers within that 5 to fill this number bond. Okay, boys and girls, now use those magnifying glasses to see. Do you see any smaller numbers hidden within those 5 smiley faces? I see a group of 2 hidden right here. Let's go ahead and fill our number bond with what we know so far. We know that we have 5 total, so that is our whole part. I went ahead and put a 5 in the section labeled whole for our number bond. It's the side that's sort of all by itself. The 2 little branches come out of the total part. Now let's see. I circled 2 smiley faces, so that is one of my parts. Let's go ahead and add a 2 into the number bond. Now that we have those 2 parts filled in, we can see what we have left. Let's look at the number of smiley faces that I did not circle and count them up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. It looks like 3 is the other number hiding in my 5. And look at that, we've created our first successful number bond. Great job being detectives, boys and girls. Okay, boys and girls, let's close out the night by saying goodbye to Molly and Bert. Molly says, check me out next time.